Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a blog post and layout for your WordPress website. So basically with WordPress you have posts and pages. In this area we're working with posts, and posts go into like a blogging page which can be set up into categories, and titles of your posts with content, and basically snippets or read more links which go to the full article. This way you can display a lot of posts on the one page as we've done here. And we can also, as a user, you can also select a category so it only shows those articles. So basically how this works is in the back end of your website, the dashboard, we go to the posts section, and all the articles in the website blog are located here. So to add a new one or to edit, if you want to edit, you can just go to the edit page. You can create some new content. There's your read more and update the page, and just tick to assign it to a category and update the page. To add a new one, you select add new, and what I'm going to do, I've written one already, so I've got an article here. Here's the title, which goes into the title area. I've got some content which is being written in Notepad, so it doesn't have any code behind it from Word which sort of generates bad code, and I can paste that in. Now from there I can select the category that I want that to go into, or select a new category. So this one here is based off WordPress. I don't have a WordPress category at the moment, so I'm going to add one in. Add that category, tick it here. There's my title, there's my content. What we can do is add heading 3s, heading 2s into the title of the page. If you see that happen, what you need to do is do a Control Z, bring that back up to the top, hit enter, and now do heading 3. Heading 3s help with SEO and things like that. But as a basic idea, you add your title, you add your content, you select the category that you want your post to be in. We can also add an image into the content. So let's say, for instance, I want to put a picture here. You put your cursor where you want your image. Go add media. We can grab images that are already on the website, or we can load them in. So we can either select them from the computer, or we can drag them into here. Once they're in, that's selected, you can insert into the post. And what you'll see is that loaded in a second. There's that photo or graphic. Put a bit of spacing on there if you want to. And the featured image down the bottom here is what goes into the, say for instance, we're on the blog page, and this image here, these are your featured images. I select featured image. I'm going to upload a new one. I just drag them in. I've actually spelt the name of that wrong, but you also want to add in alt text. Based off the title of the image, and I also like to do that from the title of the article as well. Insert into post. And what this will do, let's give it 2 secs. Didn't load it in. There we go, that featured image is in there now. Title, article, category, image, publish. There's 4 main things. Once that's saved, go back to your website blog, the blog page, and there's my new post. So there's the image that I've loaded as a featured image. There's my title, there's my category WordPress, there's my full article at this stage. Now what I need to do is have a snippet. So about here I would select insert read more, and then update the page. It's always a good idea to have two tabs open, one with the live website and one with the admin area. That way you can quickly flick between the two. So we come back here now, I can refresh this page. If I click on WordPress category that I set up, it'll only bring up that post. There's my read more after the personal blog, which you can see here, after personal blog, read more. And if I click into that, continue reading, it will show me the full article. There's the image that we selected as well. And that really is all you need to do. So just to give you a quick overview, go to posts. There's a new article that we just created. If you hover over each area, you'll see an edit, a quick edit, or a trash. Or if you want to view it online before it goes live, I generally go into edit. If I can see some spelling mistakes or something like that, I can make my changes. I can hit update. I can assign to multiple categories if my article requires that. That's pretty much all that you need to know. So once your blog post has been added and you've updated it and you've checked it on the website that it's all accurate, you can just log out of your system. And that's all. Hope that helps.